To change the wallpaper on Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active, first we can do it on the Smart Band itself. If you unlock your device and swipe up, move to the settings all the way down. Then you'll be able to find band displays and you can scroll through them like that. Now, if you want to get additional display options, we can open My Fitness app. Make sure that you do it on the device that is currently connected with your smart band, and then we can manage band displays right here. You can find any online displays that you can download, or you can go for a custom to pick a custom photo. In this case, let's apply this one, and after a while when it's installing this display, we can see that our wallpaper have changed. You will see it in a moment again. It's right here.